Hey everyone, this is Craig Hunter from Hunter Research and Technology. This is our second video on our new Pro Compass for Watch app. And in this video, I want to talk about the gyro mode. Now, if you have a Series 1 through Series 4 Apple Watch, it does not have a compass sensor. And in order for us to detect direction on those watches, Pro Compass will instead use your gyro. And a gyro is a sensor that gives you very accurate rotational measurement. The only problem with the gyro is that when it starts off, it starts measuring rotation from the front of the device. It doesn't know anything about north or south or the compass or the earth. And so on these devices where we use the gyro, what we have to do is we have to adjust or calibrate this so-called gyro compass now so that it knows where north is. And you can do that a couple ways. No matter how you do it, you'll be putting your input using the digital crown on the watch. And so you can see as I'm turning that, the compass dial is turning and adjusting. And it's basically letting me dial in a reference for the app so that the gyro knows which way is which, relative to where you are and relative to the earth. And there's a couple ways you can do this. First of all, if you know that a certain direction, for instance, is west, well, then you can just turn the crown, point in that direction with the watch and turn the crown until you're at west. And you've now just calibrated that gyro to know where west is. And that means every other direction is going to be correct when you move your watch around. Another option is to use the sun or the moon. And as I mentioned in the first video, we display the sun and the moon position on the compass ring. And so, if you can look up in the sky and see the sun or the moon, well, aim yourself in that direction and then just adjust the digital crown until the sun is showing in the direction that you're aimed. And now you've just calibrated it based on that. So this actually works very well. In many ways, the gyro is better than using a compass because it's not susceptible to magnets or magnetic fields. And so it's a very robust sensor, and it's very smooth and gives us very nice rotational measurements. The downside of the gyro, however, is that over time it can drift. If I shut off the app and walk around, when I turn the app on again, that any reference I had before, that's going to be gone. Or if I just go running or do some crazy motion or just walk around all day with my watch on, any previous reference I set is going to get lost. And so what you need to remember when you're using this app on a watch in the gyro mode is that whenever you turn it on, you're going to want to come in here and readjust your compass reference somehow, whether it's known bearing, sun, moon position, or something else. Once you do that, you'll have a good compass reading for as long as the app is active on your wrist like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.